what happened with the pedestals? Why is important know how is the wiring, how is the configuration in a pedestal. In some cases the problem is not in the boat. Normally when the captains have a problem, have an electrical problem, they call immediately to the manager of the marina asking about the power coming from the marina. And they said, oh, the problem is the power coming from the marina. If you are the engineer responsible for the electricity in the marina, you need to be in charge of the power on the pedestals, and you need to be in charge on the power on the transformers in the marina. But we have the main bar. The power from the output enters into the breakers, and from the breakers goes into the outlet. I have an schematic to explain to you the procedure to check the pedestal. This is the schematic that I have of the pedestal. This is the short power cable, and this is the pedestal. Those are the three lines. In this particular case, I am going to do the example with double phase. I am going to check outlets like this, with the hotline neutral and the ground on the side. Double phase. Oh, okay, the bus bar received the big cable. The big cable number 2. Cable number 2 with 100 amps. And the output cables going into the breakers are smaller cables, number 6 and 50 amps. With the voltmeter in volts AC, you select volts AC, the first function, you check the voltage in between the neutral bus bar and this bus bar. The voltage should be 120 volts. When you check the voltage in between the neutral and the other bus bar, the voltage should be 120. Okay, let me check. 120 and 0. I don't have power in this case, in this phase. I don't have power coming from the transformer in this bus bar, in the hotline number 1. What is the next step? Go at the beginning of the dock, open the cabinet where the transformer is located, and verify what is the breaker designated for this pedestal. This is the pedestal 17. I check on the cabinet the breaker for pedestal 17. I turn off the breaker and I verify the input power and the output power. You need to go step by step. You start on the transformer at the beginning of the dock. After that, you check the bus bars. After that, you check the breaker, and after that, you check the outlet. This is the procedure to isolate the problem. The problem is on the outlet, the problem is on the breaker, or the problem is on the bus bars. Okay, the hour meter in the marinas is exactly the same the hour meter that you have in your home. That hour meter registers kilowatts per hour. Okay, but the kilowatts are coming for the amount of amps per hour. Remember, power in kilowatts is equal to the voltage times the intensity. Okay, in this particular case, the voltage is 240, and the intensity is the amount of amps passing per second through the donut. Okay, what is the procedure to calculate the amount of amps? Okay, I am going to calculate the amount of cycles. Alright, how can I calculate that? I pass the cable here through the donut, and the donut registers the amount of cycles here into the voltage controller, and the voltage controller converts into kilowatts per hour. The recommendation when you have problems with the hour meter is replace at the same time the donut and the voltage controller, because those elements are designed to work together.